We start with monthly chart. We just want to give you update. Actually, we didn't have the update for quite a long time. Anyway, as we can see, based on monthly chart, still we are within this downtrend. All right, we are within the correction, and the price, the possibility for the price reverse and the tag all-time high, I mean, it's very less at this point because we are expecting the price to be within this correction for quite a long time before we see the reversal, may similar to what we had here. All right, if we zoom in, we see after we get this move, this is the correction we get. All right, then what I want to say is that if anyone wants to look for buy and their target is to tag the price tag the all-time high, they should know that we are within this correction for quite a long time. We will be within this correction before the price reverse. By the way, we want to see whether we can look for any trade, either a short term or long term. Based on monthly chart, we have nothing to discuss, and based on weekly chart, if you put this line relative to the previous one of the indicators showing us a divergence, but we cannot rely on the MACD, right? That means even if we get a reversal, may we get at least similar to what we have here. And the possibility for the price to reverse from here is very less, okay? That's why any trade will be a short term, and we don't have really good trade setup, even based on daily chart and lower time frame, okay? And this line is indicative. We were looking to see the breakout of this one. The price could break, but we don't see the reversal point yet. And whenever we see this kind of the corrective move, we are expecting for the next drop. We have to be quite careful about this. Now, how we can look for trade? Having entry above this can be an option, but it's very risky because simply the price can tag and drop. Then if we get the next drop following by divergence, maybe from there we can look for buy. From there, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. Okay. By the way, we don't need to wait for the next drop. We can put our entry above here, but what we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving, we shouldn't keep the trade. Okay. And even if the price tag or entry from here, the next breakout, we have to look for the breakout of the previous top, which is this one. I'm not giving the target at this point. Okay. But what I'm looking for, if I want to look for the reversal, I want to see the breakout of this zone, 11 and 14 cent. Okay. As I mentioned, I don't see any trade setup yet. And this is the only way we can look for trade. And if we move to lower time frame, even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. When the price was within this one, we mentioned we're looking for one move up. This is what we get. But the way the price reversed was very corrective. Okay. And even based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup, and even 1 hour chart. Okay. Any trade will be a short term, but what I'm looking for based on daily chart, the only way to look for trade, which is quite risky, having entry above here. Again, having entry above here, we can expect the price tag and drop. That's why we should know how to manage it. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. But as I explained earlier, the way is reversing is very corrective. We need to be quite careful. And we are within the correction based on weekly chart. We will be within the correction for quite a long time before we see the reversal and before we expect the price tag all-time high. Thanks.